Website tracking in FasterTime is disabled by default, but this video will explain how we can turn website tracking on for specific websites or track every website we visit. Let's start by going to Faster Suite on the Faster ribbon, clicking the Global Settings wheel, selecting Revenue Generation on the left, and then Time Recovery across the top. At the very bottom of this window, we can see that we have some web tracking options. First, let's make sure that the web browser we use is turned on. I use Google Chrome, so I'll check the box for that web browser. Next, let's enable website tracking by checking the Track Websites box and open our custom URL tracking window by clicking the Settings wheel to the right. This window is a lot like the Custom Process Tracking window. At the top we have some options, and at the bottom we will configure a list of websites to track. Let's start with the top dropdowns. The left dropdown will let us choose what URLs to track. We can track only the URLs that we enter in the list below, track all URLs except the ones in the list below, or just track every website. We strongly recommend only tracking specific URLs that are entered into this window because tracking all websites can lead to a lot of clutter in the work report. The right dropdown lets us choose how we would like to display entries in the work report. We can choose to display websites grouped by domain, or create a new entry for each specific URL. We recommend using by domain for this option to reduce the number of entries in the work report. Now let's add a website to be tracked. We should enter just the domain of each website. I'll enter fasterlaw.com as an example. By entering just the domain, FasterTime will know to track any web activity from URLs that start with fasterlaw.com, regardless of which page of the website I'm on. Once we've entered our domains or URLs, we can click Save on the URL tracking window and Save and Close on the Settings window. Now if we visit a website that we've configured to be tracked, then open the work report by going to New on the Faster ribbon, then Activity Tracking, we'll see that FasterTime has started tracking our web activity.